Want to know how I made these greeting cards? Well, keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jitrella here. And if you want to know how I make my greeting cards, then keep on watching. Let's just get started, okay? So, why are you still back here? Come. So you can see it. You can't see it from back there. Perfect. Okay. Now that you're in my face, let me show you guys what you need. First of all, you need a printer and you need some cards. These cards is pretty good because it's already pre-folded. It's already ready. All you got to do is print it on it. And this is pretty good for Canon printer. So if you have a Canon printer and the cardstock that you're using is not working, this is it. Texture cardstock, you're welcome. I'll leave it in the description down below. I got like 50 of them on Amazon for like $30, and they also came with envelopes, so that is your best bet. All right, let me show you guys my design. Why am I going on YouTube? Because I'm so used to going on YouTube. That's the problem. That's the issue. I'm too busy going on YouTube instead of making YouTubes. Anyway, let me go to Canva. And I use Canva so I can size my designs. So I make sure that it's in the right size. I size it to this. So this is a 6 by 8 inches. So I make sure that I size that in Canva, which let me show you guys. So this is the penguin one that I made. This is my first one that I made originally. And then this is my second one that I'm going to make and show you guys how I get this onto my greeting cards, onto nice blank greeting card. So now that I have my design in place and I like the way it looks, hopefully, and I pray that it's in the middle. It looks like it's in the middle. I use these guidelines to make sure that it's in the middle, so it looks like it's in the middle. So then I'm gonna go hit share, then I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna download it onto PDF because you know you get the best quality when you do it on PDF. Or is it? Yeah, it's best for printing, so yeah. And then I'm gonna just make sure I choose one page, page 2, and then I just download it. So I hit print. Sorry if it's a little flickery and a little stupid looking, but then I go on here and I already preset what I want my size to be. So the only reason why I did like that is because it just sized it perfectly to my greeting card. So I did it like that. And then I make sure that it stays on portrait, which is so important. Make sure it stays, because if it's on landscape, it's gonna print out like that. You're not gonna want it like that. You want it on portrait. And then that's pretty much it. So let's go to the printer and I'm gonna show you how I set the settings on my printer. Let me turn my printer on. That makes more sense if I turn my printer on. That would work, right? Yeah. I should have been said that. Now we just gotta have to wait. Okay, it's on. All right, so now that my printer is on, let me get my paper. So I'm going to use an old one that I already like printed on, but I'm gonna use it on this side. And so let me show you. Okay, now that you can see the printer screen, it's really tiny. I'm going to put in my paper into the printer and make sure that you size it, like you bring the little things together so it can print properly. So what I do is, you see how that popped up and it's asking you if the paper is gloss or whatever. I'm gonna hit change, I'm gonna hit card, and then I'm gonna go down to cardstock, and then I'm gonna hit OK. and that's normally my settings. And then after that, I can go ahead and print, and it should be, crossing fingers that it looks right. It should be right. Let's try it out. It was just asking me if my paper was in the printer, and it was. Sometimes it don't really detect the paper because it's so small. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Yay! It came out so good and perfecto. Yes. So that's how it came out. It came out so good, so good. And now this is your greeting card with the same thing. I just put the same thing on the back because it was just easier to do it that way, and because I like it. But yeah, it looks so good. The color came out so good. I can see where it messed up, but I'm glad this is a used one and not a new one. Let's make new ones. Let's make 5 more. And you got to make sure all your settings is on T. See, that it'll always preset like that. Since I put it like that the first time, it won't go back. But this one over here will. So I have to make sure that I put everything the way I had it before. So let's make some cards, babes. So we're gonna now package my new greeting cards, but I had to make more stickers because I thought I had more, and then it disappeared. Where did it go? I don't know. It went somewhere. So now I have to print out more stickers, and I'm gonna cut it out on my Cricut, and then we're gonna package this up. So let's do it. this is how I made my greeting cards and how I packaged them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped someone that was very curious on how to make greeting cards, and literally it's a 1 2 3 step. Okay, make sure you have a printer and some greeting cards. You don't even have to worry about where you're gonna get your greeting cards, babes. I got you. It's in the description box down below. Don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you know every time a girl uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.